When you press the brakes, do you hear squeaking noises? Do you feel vibrations in the steering wheel? Or does your car no longer stop with confidence? If any of that sounds familiar, don't buy new brake pads in 2026 before watching this video. Most drivers don't realize this. Cheap brake pads often create annoying noise. Using the wrong brake pad material can damage your brake rotors. And low-quality brake pads can actually increase your stopping distance. For older drivers, quiet, smooth, and predictable braking is extremely important for both safety and comfort. In this video, I'll show you 5 different brake pad options that solve different driving problems. All right, let's get started. Number 5. EBC Ultimax 2 Brake Pads. If you want stronger braking and a slightly sportier feel, EBC Ultimax 2 brake pads stand out. They're a good match for highway driving and heavier vehicles. Prices usually range from $50 to $70. Key benefits include strong initial bite, high durability, and a premium braking feel. Number 4. Raybestos Element 3 E3 Ceramic Brake Pads. If you drive in rainy conditions or want reliable all-weather braking, Raybestos Element 3 pads are a strong option. They're well-suited for daily commuters and drivers in wet or unpredictable climates. Expect prices between $70 and $90. The biggest benefits are consistent braking performance, weather-resistant design, and durable ceramic materials. Number 3. Wagner ThermoQuiet QCX Brake Pads. If your brakes feel rough or you notice vibrations when stopping, Wagner ThermoQuiet pads are worth considering. They're a good fit for family vehicles and drivers who prioritize smooth braking. The price range is typically $30 to $50. Main advantages are reduced vibration, quiet performance, and good value for the money. Number 2. AC Delco Gold Ceramic Brake Pads. If you want balanced performance and long-lasting brake pads, AC Delco Gold Ceramic Pads are a solid choice. They work well for both city and highway driving and are known for consistent braking. Prices usually fall between $30 and $40. Key benefits include ceramic construction, reliable stopping power, and a trusted brand reputation. Number 1. Bosch QuietCast Premium Brake Pads. If brake squeaking is your biggest problem, Bosch QuietCast brake pads are a great option. They're ideal for daily city driving and for older drivers who want a quiet, comfortable ride. The typical price range is between $40 and $60. The main benefits are very quiet operation, low brake dust, and smooth, controlled stopping. To keep things simple, for quiet city driving, choose Bosch QuietCast. For balanced daily use, AC Delco Gold is a safe pick. For smooth, vibration-free braking, Wagner ThermoQuiet works well. For rain and all-weather safety, go with Raybestos Element 3. And for strong highway braking, EBC Ultimax 2 is the better choice. Choosing the right brake pads depends on your driving style and what matters most to you. I've added links in the description with the latest prices and availability. Let me know in the comments which brake pads you're using right now and what problems you're trying to fix. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.